Okay, here we have another patient, female. You can see that the second heart sound is missing. And I'm going to actually show you this entire graph. As you go across, there's one point where you actually see a second heart sound out of all of those beats. Right there. And that's it. Okay? So I'm going to bring that back. Just leave it there. After taking Cataplex F tablets, which helps to diffuse calcium into the tissues, we see a blurb there. And this is about a half hour later, it looks like, on the graph. Still missing, but another blurb. And this actually, another one there. The top graph, when I was originally starting, before this is only recorded 15 seconds, but I usually watch it for a good 20, 30 seconds, even up to a minute, just to kind of get an idea of how the rhythm is and what's actually happening with the sounds of the heart. There wasn't any. There was absolutely no second heart sounds, and you only had that one little blurb we actually got recorded. During the second take on this, about half of it came back. Look at that. That's about half, give or take some. Okay, but it does come back. And we're going to recheck her in a week and just keep her on that supplement for a week and see what happens. The other issue I found, and I didn't necessarily see enough of a change in it, at least on this, so we're going to give it a week to see what happens, is you have a little bit of that extra gurgly sound there, and you have it there. So we gave her something specifically for, to help smooth the blood flow through the body. And you can even see these little lines here, how they're kind of roughened up a little. So we're going to see if that smooths out between this week and next week. I just want to give it a little bit more time for the body to respond to it. So we'll see what happens. So that's it on this graph. If you guys are interested in having this done yourself, you're welcome to give the office a call at 716-754-9039. And always remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body.